Hello guys, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video I want to teach you guys how to open UK TikTok account. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, requirement you need is fresh Gmail. Hope you understand what I mean by fresh Gmail. Fresh Gmail means create a new Gmail, the Gmail that you haven't used before. That is what you will need. You will need fresh Gmail. You will need a good VPN, a good VPN, premium VPN. But I recommend Source5. If you know about Source5, you already know what I'm talking about. So, but if you don't know, watch my previous video about Source5. You will know how to go about it. You can DM me for that. So now I'll go to my Source5, which I already have. I will go to my Source5, connect to United Kingdom. So once you're on Source5, go to my POSI list, change the ISP. So I'll be using UK because of I'll be going with UK. Let me search another ISP. I already see UK, but I want to scroll and check for other ISP for UK. Okay, let me use this. Let's use this. So once you are here, you just connect. So I'm connecting now. Connected successfully. So I want to check my IP whether it's already in US, UK. I mean. So let me check my IP location to check. Okay, it's already there. So already there. See my privacy index. My privacy index. Let me check it. Okay. So good is in United Kingdom. So the second process is go to your Chrome, because I'm using Chrome, so you guys should know that you use Chrome also. So just go to your Chrome and log out the Gmail you already have on this account. So I'll log out this Gmail. Let me sign out. Continue. So once I sign out, I'll clear the browser. Let me clear the browser on this account history. I'll clear the cache and the browsing history. I'll clear it. Hope you are understanding, guys. Clear the data all time. So once you are clear the history, just go back to your Chrome. I've cleared everything. Go back to your Chrome and sign in. Sign in with your with the new account you created. So I'll choose another account. This is the new account I created. This Dre Scott. I'll sign in with it. Once I sign in, let me sign in with it. So let me click like this. So I've signed in successfully. Now the next thing, go to your Chrome incognito search. So this is what I'm talking about. This new incognito tab. This is what you click. Once you click it to change your page. So you search for TikTok. Because of the incognito this thing that I enter, hope you understand. So I do a separate video for you guys so that I can continue the video. Because incognito, just know that you are using incognito mode to create what I'm doing now. Hope you understand. If I say I should continue like that, using the incognito mode like that on that video to be blank. So that is why I come up with this. So I'll just continue with the main mode. But note, you are using the incognito mode. If you understand. So it's just the same step. After you search the TikTok on your incognito mode, make sure you are using incognito mode. This is the new incognito mode tab. Once you search it, you see TikTok like this. So once you search TikTok, Make sure you search TikTok. Let's say TikTok sign up. Understand? TikTok sign up. So once you search TikTok sign up like this, the next thing is to log in your Gmail. You see this place here, you log in the fresh Gmail here. You understand? You log in your fresh Gmail. I've already logged in this is the fresh Gmail that I created, so I've already logged in. So once you log in, just click on sign up. Hope you understand. Once you click on sign up, don't open it in the app first. Once you click on sign up, you continue with Google. Once you click continue with Google, hope you understand it. Once you click on continue with Google, click on the new Gmail that you created, which is the fresh Gmail. I mean, and this is my own. I'm the Scott, so I'll click it. So once I click it, you do the remaining part by setting your date of birth. I already create account on this email, so I don't want to create it. So I'm just showing you guys the video because the video went blank when I entered the incognito mode, so I can't post it on my YouTube. That is why I'm doing this, to just do this step that go blank. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So once you sign in with this your fresh Gmail, so assuming, let's say this is my fresh Gmail now, this Mufti BJ, I'm just using this as example, but this is not my fresh Gmail. I already used them as fresh Gmail. So let's continue. Once you continue, you see different thing. So you see you see date of birth. You understand? You see date of birth. You select your date of birth. Let's use like this. Continue. Next. So then once you click on continue, you solve the captcha. So solve the captcha. The same number. Confirm. So it's still the same thing. They will ask when you are in that incognito mode. So the username, let me just use this, then sign up. Hope you understand. So once you sign up, you can see you have signed up your TikTok like this. All you have to do is just close the app, then go to your app and log in. So go to my TikTok account. So hope you guys are following. Continue with Google. So the account, the fresh Gmail that we use, that's what you click. Continue. So skip.
Nothing beats a Jet2. What the hell?
Now to really create your UK account. You can see it now. You can see the region, United Kingdom. It's very sharp. You can see it. That's how to create your United Kingdom TikTok. It's very sharp. So if you enjoyed the video so far, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates like this, so that you won't miss. Make sure you are subscribing to this YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel for more updates like this. You can see the region, United Kingdom. Very sharp update. So that is the region. To know if it's United Kingdom, you can see it now. You can see it. I've created your, without using number. If you want to add your password, you just do that on your own. So that is that on that. Hope you understand what I'm saying. So make sure you like this video. video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you. See you next in my next video. Thank you.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.